Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are deep diving into a product that has generated serious buzz because it is not your average dry shampoo. This is the R+Co Badlands Dry Shampoo Paste. It is not a spray, it is not a powder, it is a paste. They promise a miracle combination, oil absorption, and volume that lasts. The big question is, does this unique format make it a styling game changer, or is it just an overhyped sticky mess? Let's put the Badlands to the test. The core marketing here is about dual function. Most dry shampoos do one thing well. They absorb oil and maybe give you a little lift. Hair pastes do another thing well. They provide grip, texture, and lasting hold. The Badlands paste promises to do both. The key ingredient for the dry shampoo part is volcanic ash. This is a powerful fine-grained absorber. For the paste part, it includes ingredients like coconut oil for conditioning and flexibility and various polymers for light hold. It is designed to be used on second or third day hair to revive your style and add that slap-in voluminous texture. This is where the Badlands is either brilliant or confusing. When you scoop it out, it feels like a thick, creamy styling paste. For the application, you need to rub a tiny amount vigorously between your palms until it vanishes and becomes nearly clear. This is crucial. If you skip this step, it will clump. You apply it at the roots like a dry shampoo, massaging it in to absorb oil, and then work it through the mid-lengths for texture and lift. The users found it provided incredible, durable volume that lasted all day. It is perfect for creating those spicy, messy looks. Because it has styling ingredients, it feels heavier than a spray dry shampoo. If you use too much, it will feel heavy and almost sticky, especially on very fine, thin hair. This product works best on hair that has some natural thickness or texture and is already a little oily. Based on user reviews, I can tell you this isn't for everyone. It is a niche product, but for the right person, it absolutely is a game changer. So if you need a pure, weightless oil absorption, stick to a classic aerosol dry shampoo. But if you're looking for volume, texture, and a matte finish, this is superior. My final verdict is that the R+Co Badlands Dry Shampoo Paste is a game changer, but only if you have the right hair type. For those with thick, wavy, or short hair who want that pretty second-day texture plus oil absorption, this is a brilliant product that saves you a step. If you have fine hair, however, it is going to feel like an overhyped mess. You're better off skipping it. Know your hair and you'll know if this is worth the luxury price tag.